What's up, YouTube? Ooh. I put a towel on the chair so it won't fall this time. But I got another tramp chew I'm gonna do. I wish I would have got medium instead of full strength, which I got a medium. But you know what it is? Bourbon. I'm doing the bourbon. Bourbon. So, you know, what was it? It came classic, bourbon, cinnamon, not straight, cinnamon, and wintergreen and mint. I heard this was good, but I'll be the judge of that. I won't be an asshole like some people that say, oh yeah, it's fuck, tastes like shit. The original, it tastes like tea with nicotine. Tea, nicotine. That's what it tastes like. So, it's this fucking fake paper shit. I don't have any nails. I don't. Just cut them. There we go. Piece of shit. I'll take that off. Oh, this is a pain in the ass. Screw it. It's not like they're gonna run out of these. There we go. Full strength. Tramp chew. Warning label. March 24th, 2020. They're filled to the brim like the last ones. That's what's cool about these. You get a lot of them. You don't have to worry about, oh, am I gonna run out? Not with these. Cheers, guys. Put them up top. I don't like putting them on the bottom. My gums are sore. Hundy dundy in my jug. Let's let this flavor develop. Honestly, I don't remember what bourbon dip tastes or smells like, so I have 3 more of these, so I'm not worried about it. I like them. I can't believe the damn thing broke. It's like it was wet. Playing like a condom, man. There we go. Neighbors. Neighbors. For so much nicotine I have, this should be fine. Yep, nicotine's there. I can feel it. Sometimes these are like way too much for me. Like, cause I do 8 milligrams of the on snooze, and I do 6 milligrams of e-juice. E-liquid, e-juice, whatever the fuck. Triumph Chew's not that bad. It's actually pretty good. I'd recommend it. I want to try the loose. Or the long cut. Talking like a snooze person. But yeah, really not that bad. I did my last natural half an hour ago. These aren't bad. Gotta get used to the taste, but they're really not that bad. If I could use these all the time instead of have regular dip. I liked regular dip, but it's not for me anymore. I like harm reduction. I like getting rid of tobacco. That's the whole thing of harm reduction, is getting rid of tobacco, right? Yeah, I would recommend this. Now I need to try the fully loaded and outlaw dip. If I don't like those, because I tried Black Buffalo. That shit sucked. It sucked. I hate to say it, but it sucked ass. It really did. I know this is my second attempt of, tobacco or non-tobacco. I like it. And you get 40 pouches in here. Who gives you alternative with nicotine? 40 pouches. I have no clue, but I like it. Now I want to try the damn loose. Long cut loose. You don't have salivary glands up here. You have them down here, so it's gonna take a little bit. I'm not feeling a burn like I did with the other one. It's like weird. Yeah, they're pretty good. Keep on snoozing, keep on vaping. No cigarettes. Dip alternatives if you don't want any more tobacco. I recommend it. Try the trial pack. Or the sample pack. If you don't like it, $13 for 5 cans, $10, probably like $12 for 4 cans on triumphchew.com. I'm gonna say peace out.